Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for coming to the show. I am going to show you guys another Halloween project today, and it is so easy and it probably will only take just a minute. So it's going to be a quick one today. I went to Dollar Tree and got a little sign. It's like, you know, a little sign like this. And then I got these little skeletons, okay? And we're gonna need a glue gun, and that's it. So let's go ahead and jump in. So like I said, we're gonna use this sign, and then we're gonna take one of these dudes and we're gonna just have him sit up here on the top, and we're gonna use the glue gun. So here we go. Let me get one of these guys off of here. Hey, so since we're doing a short little session today, I got a quick little animal fact for you. Did you know that a dragonfly can see in all directions at the same time? Isn't that fucked up? Wow. It's pretty cool. Okay, so I have our little guy, and our glue gun is dripping already. So we're just gonna take this, you know what, let's put it over here. We'll put a little blob right here, and this is where our guy can sit. Oh, his legs move, but his arms don't. That's weird. Okay. Well, I guess his legs don't really bend that well either. Well, you know what? He can just cross his legs. How about that? He's just chilling. There he goes. Yep, so that's it. That's all we gotta do. We're done.